It's time to tune them up and get ready to race in the Music City.
The green flag is out at Nashville Super Speedway.
I'm in this country bar and I'm knocking some back with this old hillbilly who is drunk on Jack. I got a big buzz going on and the jukebox played my favorite song. There's a pretty boy in a cowboy hat throwing in quarters thinking he's all that. I asked him what was going on. He thought, touchdown, touchdown, spinning around. My hair's like lead, but I dig this sound. And with some drum when he's dancing slow, he's pulling me close and saying, no, no, no. This town is dragging me down. My baby's calling, I want out of this town. Homeward bound. Touchdown, touchdown, spinning around. My hair's like lead, but I dig this sound. And with some drum when he's dancing slow, he's pulling me close and saying, no.